Hey guys, and welcome to this new weekly outlook. So in this weekly outlook, it will be from December 15 to December 20, and we're gonna go over my major pairs that you can see exactly right here, like usually. And every other pairs will be, of course, covered in the VIP access. So all the indices, gold, and all the minor pairs too. So let's start straight away with Euro USD. So as you can see, Euro USD for a while, it's been kind of ranging. We tapped into this for our POI on the previous week, and we had actually a nice little trade after a 1 minute break of structure exactly right here that hit a 1-to-3 risk reward ratio. But except for that, afterwards price just pushed down. And that was pretty much it. We just pushed down. We still kind of trading. We broke structure right here to the upside, but like I said, this might just be a liquidity sweep. So we're kind of still trading between this range, like from this high to this low, but it's just consolidating. So at the moment, there's nothing really we can expect. We can expect just a stronger continuation to a downside afterwards, but for now there's nothing much to do on Euro USD. And honestly, right now it's as well December. The price action right now on the higher time frame, it's not the best for the month of December. On the previous year we had really nice results on December, but for this year it's just been consolidating, and it's not really a good price action for our strategy, unfortunately. So yeah, I really suggest to not trade on a live account or, for example, on a funded account right now, because there's no really anything interesting with the strategy that we're using. I personally suggested to everyone to wait until January, but yeah, we're still gonna do the outlook. But on Euro USD there is nothing important. On GP USD, same thing. We kind of had a push up. You see, we're kind of breaking structure to the upside exactly right here. It's not following Euro USD, and usually these two pairs are following each other. So this might just been a deeper retracement or a deeper pullback, and then we're gonna continue to push down. But even right now, it's not confirmed yet. We technically got broke structure to the upside here, and then we broke structure to the downside here again, as you can see right here. So technically there is like a 4-hour buy POI, like that is a really small POI right here. And on the 1 hour there's nothing else except for another 1 hour POI below right here. But to be honest, like, you can look for those buys, but if price just starts to push to the downside again, it's not gonna surprise me at all, because again it will just be really similar to Euro USD. And overall, the momentum has been bullish for a really long time. This might just be, again, a consolidation. So from here you have two options. You have the option to try those buys, or you have the option to just wait and see if the sell continuation happen. Because right here we have one break to the downside, but we need actually another one right here to confirm, and this low to confirm. Because right here we kind of got our confirmation to the upside. Even if it's not correlated with Euro USD, it's better to to just wait. Right here, honestly, I would not risk too much anyway. Personally as well, I'm not trading during December right now because I've seen the price action is not the best. But if you want to trade on a demo account or whatever, you can look for those buys, and then if it destroys them, you will look for sells. On GPY, we're just continuing to push up. So right here looks like we have more of a bullish momentum. Right here, they were kind of just trading between this low and this high, so in this range right here. And those are the POIs that we have, so we're just gonna wait for one of those POIs mitigation. We have as well some liquidity right here that is being generated. So this 1 hour POI on the 1 hour time frame, of course, looks good. But yeah, we need to see one of those POIs mitigated before looking for a buy. I would not look for any sells because again, overall right now we're just starting to get more bullish. Not confirmed yet, but the sells are too old anyway, so the momentum is more bullish at the moment right now. USD GPY, same thing. We're pushing to the upside. Right here we have kind of a bigger bullish momentum, but it's less clear than on GPY with the retracements in the ranges, etc. Like, we can still consider this like a break to the upside right here. However, on the 4 hour there is no POY, and if you go on the 1 hour, you'll see that on the 1 hour we have this 1 hour POY exactly right here that can look nice with this inducement, and we have as well this 1 hour POY exactly right here that can look nice as well with some inducement. Those ones starts to get a bit too low. Yeah, this is too high. I'm sorry, this is too high for the Fibonacci retracement after this break to the upside. So yeah, in this case we have these two POYs, and except that we don't have anything else. So same thing, we can look for some buys, and we have as well a 4 hour POY down there. USD CAD, we tapped into this 4 hour POY. Unfortunately, we never created any break of structure. This was not a break of structure. This was the high we needed to break, but this was not a high that is interesting because it was as well the overall high. So actually right here we could have had a nice little trade to push to the upside. Unfortunately, we didn't got our confirmations. So now this trade left without us. So now this POY is ciao bye. And right here we create a new little range to the upside with this new 4 hour POY. Of course, this 4 hour POY doesn't contain any inducement for now, so you need to be careful. And on the 1 hour there is nothing else as well, so we're just gonna wait for this 4 hour POY right here, and those ones starts to get a bit old, so we just have this POY right here. USD CHF, we tapped into this 1 hour bullish POY. Right here there was no much interesting entry because the break of structure level and like the risk reward ratio was not really interesting, but it still reacted pretty well, and we still got a nice little sell exactly right here in the VIP access as well. This was a sell forecasted perfectly in the VIP access that hit the final take profit, and then now we just broke structure to the upside. So basically we're getting back bullish. We broke structure to the upside right here, and now we have this range from this low to this high. Of course, this POY is now ciao bye, and this is our new POYs. We have one here, and for now that's pretty much it on the 4 hour. And on the 1 hour we have this exactly right here. There is as well a valid 1 hour POY. I cannot include more candles because if I include more candles it will not be completely in discount, so that doesn't count. As you can see right here, the only valid candle would be this one right here. So yeah, that's pretty much it, all the POYs we have for USD CHF. So we're gonna continue to look for some buys. Again, we need a confirmation, so a 15-minute break of structure confirmation before pushing up, before entering at those POYs basically. Then let's go on AUD USD. So on AUD USD we're having as well this bearish momentum. We still have those same POYs that we had on the other time on the previous week. And basically that's pretty much it. We don't have anything new. We still have this 1 hour POY here, and that's the only way and only thing we have. To have another POY in this range considered, we need to break through the downside first. So now we just wait for this one or this one, same thing, wait for a 15-minute confirmation, so a 15-minute break of structure to the downside, and then we're gonna get our trade. Okay, on NZD USD, really similar to AUD USD. Right here as well we had some other trades on the previous weeks, but now this is al ciao bye, and we have this 4 hour POY exactly right here. We as well broke structure to the downside right here, so similar, we can have a trade in this area right here. This 4 hour POY is not valid because it's not connected to any fair value gap or imbalance, and on the 1 hour unfortunately there is nothing else as well. So basically the only valid POY is this 4 hour one on top right here. And on Euro GBP, price is just pushing really aggressively to the upside, as you can see right here. We destroyed all the lower POY exactly right here, so now looks like we just want to retrace a little bit higher in our range. And basically right here as well, this is the only sell we have available in this huge trading range, so we can just wait for this 1 hour POY that is situated exactly right here to be tapped in, and then a confirmation on the 15-minute, and then we're gonna continue to push to the downside. So that's pretty much it, guys. Of course, if you want to join the VIP community and have access to all the outlooks, so on US30, gold, and all the minor pairs that are situated exactly right here, don't hesitate to see the link in my description. I will just put the links to join the VIP and the link as well to join the free Discord if you wish. Of course, I have as well my free ebook that explains my strategy really simply, but if you want the full course, it's all included in the VIP as well. So yeah, guys, thank you for seeing this breakdown and see you soon.